Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. What have we learnt in our previous class? Yes, we have learnt counting objects, numbers and number names from 1 to 10, forward and backward counting of numbers, after, before and between numbers, comparison of numbers and writing numbers in order, that is ascending and descending order. In today's class, let us recall all this by solving a worksheet. First question is filling the blanks. In that, question A, dash is after 7. What is after 7? Yes, 8 is after 7. So the answer is 8. So we have to write 8 in the blank place. Question B, 2 is equal to dash. When we use equal to symbol, numbers on both sides must be same. So, 2 is equal to 2. So, the answer is 2. Question C. Dash is before 5. What is before 5? Very good. 4 is before 5. So, the answer is 4. So, let's write the answer 4 in the blank place. Question D. Dash is equal to 10. As I said, when we use equal to symbol, numbers on both sides must be same. So, here the answer is very good, 10. Next question. E. Dash is in between 2 and 4. What is in between 2 and 4? Yes, 3 is in between 2 and 4. So the answer is 3. So 3 is the answer which we have written. Let's see the next question. Match the following. Here you have to match these number names of column A with that of numbers in column B. So let's start. The first question, A, O, N, E. Which is the correct answer for question A? Yes, the answer is 1. How you used to match them? Yes, by drawing an arrow, isn't it? But hereafter, we are not going to use the arrow. Instead of that, we are going to use question numbers in front of the answer. You can see in front of column B, I have given blank places. In those blank places, we have to write the question numbers. So here 1 is the answer for question A. So in front of answer 1, we have to write the question number. That is, here it is A. So let's write the question number A in front of 1. Now question B. T-H-R-E-E. What is the correct answer for this? Yes, 3 is the correct answer. As I said, we are matching them by writing the question number. So 3 is the answer for question B. So in front of answer 3, let's write the question number B. Next, question C. F-I-V-E. Which is the answer for question C? Yes, 5 is the answer for question C. So, in front of answer 5, we have to write the question number C. So, let's write C in front of 5. Next, last question. TEN. The correct answer for question number D is 10. So, in front of 10, we have to write the question number? Yes, D. So, this is how we are going to match the following hereafter. Let's solve the next question. Do as directed. In that, question A, write the number names of the following numbers. You know the number names of the numbers, right? So let's write the number names of given numbers. The first question, number is 8. What is the number name of 8? Very good. The number name of 8 is EIGHT. The next question, 4. How do you write the number name of 4? Very good. FOUR. Now the last number, 2. Yes, TWO. Let's move to the next question, B. Compare the following numbers using these symbols. You know how to use these symbols to compare the numbers. So, look at the numbers in question 1. Numbers are 9 and 5. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Then, 9. Is it greater or smaller than 5? Yes, 9 is greater than 5. So, 9 gets the open side of the symbol. So, let's put the symbol. Then how do you read it? Very good. 9 is greater than 5. Once again repeat. 9 is greater than 5. Let's move to the question 2. Look at the numbers 10 and 10. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So we can use the symbol equal to. Then how do you read it? Very good. 10 is equal to 10. Now the last question in this, look at the numbers 1 and 5. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Then 1, is it greater or smaller than 5? Very good. 1 is smaller than 5. So 1 gets close side of the symbol. Now let's solve the next exercise. Count and write the number of insects in the given picture. So the first insects, butterflies. How many butterflies are there in the given picture? Very good. There are 6 butterflies. The next insect, spiders. How many spiders are there in the given picture? Yes, there are 2 spiders in the given picture. Now third one, honeybees. Count how many honeybees are there in the picture. Very good. There are 5 honeybees in the picture. Now the last ants. How many ants are there in the given picture? Yes, there are 4 ants in the given picture. Let's move to the next question. Count the objects and circle the correct number. Here I have given picture of objects and under the picture I have given 4 numbers. You have to count how many objects are there in the given picture and circle the correct number. So, count how many party hats are there in the first picture? Yes. So, among the given numbers 9, 6, 2 and 5. Which is the correct number? Yes. 5 is the correct number. So, we have to circle number 5. Next question. How many glasses of juice are there? Yes. So, among the given numbers 2, 3, 1 and 10. 3 is the correct number. So, we have to circle 3. Let's move to the next question. Number the leaves as directed. In that, first question is from 3 to 7. So, here you have to number the leaves from 3 to 7. 3 to 7, do we have to count forward or backward? Yes, we have to count forward. So, let's count forward from 3 and number these leaves. So, first leaf we have to write number 3. On the second leaf we have to write number 4. Third leaf we have to write number 5. What about the next leaf? Yes, number 6. And last leaf we have to write number 7. Let's see the second question in this. From 8 to 4. 8 to 4. Do we have to count forward or backward? Yes, we have to count backward. So, count backward from 8. So, the first leaf gets number 8. The second leaf gets number 7. Very good. Third leaf gets number 6. The fourth leaf we have to write number 5. And last leaf we have to write number 4. Let's move to the next question. Circle the smallest number among the given numbers. So, here you have to identify the smallest number among the given numbers. Look at the first flower. The numbers given on the flower are 8, 2, 5, 1 and 9. Among these numbers, which is the smallest number? Yes, 1 is the smallest number. So, we have to circle number 1. Next flower. Given numbers are 4, 3, 2, 10 and 6. Among the given numbers, which is the smallest number? Yes, 2 is the smallest number. So, we have to circle number 2. The next question, write the following numbers in ascending order. What is ascending order? Yes, arranging numbers in increasing order, that is from smaller to greater. So let us arrange these numbers in ascending order. The first question, given numbers are 8, 9, 2 and 1. Among these, which is smaller number? Yes, 1 is smaller than other numbers. So we have to write 1 in the first place. Now the remaining numbers are 8, 9 and 2. In these three numbers, which is smaller number? Yes, 2 is smaller than 8 and 9. So 2 comes in the next place. Now we have 8 and 9. Which is smaller number among these two numbers? Yes, 8 is smaller than 9. So 8 we have to write in the next place. At last we get the greater number 9. So we have written these numbers in ascending order. Let us write question number 2 numbers in ascending order. So among the given numbers, which number comes first? Yes, the smaller number 4. Remaining numbers are 6, 7 and 10. Among these numbers, which number comes next in ascending order? Yes, the smaller number 6. Now we have 7 and 10. Among these two numbers, which number comes next in ascending order? Yes, 7 comes next. And at last, the greater number 10. Let's solve question number H. Cross out the greatest number among the given numbers. Here again I have given numbers. Among these numbers you have to identify the greatest number and you have to cross out. Look at the numbers on the first flower. Among these numbers 3, 4, 1, 2 and 5. Which is greatest number? Yes, 5 is greatest number among the given numbers. So we have to cross out number 5. Similarly, next set of numbers on flower. Among these numbers, which is the greatest number? Yes, 8 is the greatest number. So we have to cross out number 8. Now the last exercise question. G. Write the following numbers in descending order. Descending order is writing numbers from greater to smaller. So let us write these numbers in descending order. First question, given numbers are 7, 10, 1 and 2. Among these numbers, which is greater number? Yes, 10 is greater than other three numbers. So 10 we have to write first. Now we have 7, 1 and 2. Among these three, which is greater? Yes, 7 is greater than 1 and 2. So 7 comes in the next place. Now we have 1 and 2. Among these two numbers, which is greater? Yes, 2 is greater than 1. So 2 comes in the next place. And at last the smaller number 1. So we have written these numbers in descending order. Similarly, let us write question number 2 in descending order. Among the given numbers 7, 1, 5 and 8, which number comes first when we are writing in descending order? Yes, 8 comes first. Now we are left with numbers 7, 1 and 5. Which number comes next? Very good. The greater number 7. Now we have 1 and 5. Among these two, 5 is greater than 1. So 5 comes in the next place. At last, we have the smaller number 1. So we have solved this worksheet. That's all for today. Along with this video, I have attached a worksheet for you to solve. Write only answers for those questions in your maths notebook. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.